Have you ever wondered what would happen to your body if you ran for just 30 minutes every day? Well, the changes might surprise you. From your brain to your bones, your body transforms in powerful ways. Let's break it down.
At first, it might be tough. Your muscles might ache, your breathing might be heavy, and your legs will scream, "What are we doing?" But don't worry, this is your body waking up. In the first week, your heart starts working more efficiently. Blood flow improves. Your brain releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones, giving you a natural mood boost. The moment you start running, your heart rate increases. Oxygen floods your muscles. Your body starts burning energy, mostly glucose and stored fat. In just 30 minutes, you can burn 200 to 500 calories, depending on your weight and pace. And your brain? It releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that fight stress and boost your mood, often referred to as the runner's high.
After just 7 days of running 30 minutes a day, your stamina improves. Your lungs become more efficient, and you may notice you're less out of breath during daily activities. Your resting heart rate may begin to lower, a great sign your heart is getting stronger. You'll sleep better, feel more energized, and start to develop a steady routine. Mentally, you may already feel more focused, positive, and motivated. By week 4, your body is changing from the inside out. Fat loss becomes noticeable. Muscles in your legs, core, and even upper body become more defined. Running also increases your bone density, making your bones stronger and more resistant to injury. Your cardiovascular endurance is way better, and you might find yourself running faster or farther with ease. Even your skin can glow more due to increased blood flow and sweating, which helps flush out toxins. After 90 days of consistent running, your body composition changes significantly. You may have lost inches around your waist and gained lean muscle. Your metabolism becomes faster, meaning your body burns calories more efficiently, even when you're not exercising. The risk of chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and high blood pressure drops dramatically. And your mental health? It's on a whole new level. Reduced anxiety, improved self-esteem, and better resilience to stress are all part of the package. If you continue this 30-minute daily habit, you're building a future-proof body. Running regularly boosts your immune system, improves brain function, and may even extend your life. Studies show that runners tend to live longer, healthier lives with a lower risk of certain cancers and cognitive decline. You're not just exercising, you're investing in your future.
So, whether you're running to lose weight, clear your mind, or just feel better, 30 minutes a day can transform your body and your life. Lace up your shoes, hit the pavement, and take that first step. Your future self will thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful health insights.